Now here is a simple program to add two numbers, and let us learn how to collect those numbers from users. Since we want to collect from users, we will collect those numbers in certain variables. Let that be integer type variables. So we will use int, say val1, or let us use num1, and then int num2. So since we want to show you first that please input two numbers, so we'll use please input num1 or number 1 properly, and then we'll use the scene object, which is for console input, and this operator is called stream extraction operator. That means we are taking data from the stream. So whatever is being typed here, so in the first number we'll collect it in num1. Similarly, let us collect the another number in number 2 and use another scene to collect number 2. Then we can straight away have a simple formula where we'll like to add these numbers into a variable called sum. So we'll do that and write sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Here, since they are C++ object, we'll use std this. For scene also we use std this. For this also we'll use std this, std this. Because this is our name, so we don't use std here, but we'll have to now print this number. Cout sum of numbers would be numbers, let us be sum of numbers straight away, and then chain it to show sum, and then end of line. Right? This is not required because these are number variables, and these are whatever numbers comes in through scene into these variables, and this sum is generated here, and that's why declaration is required here also. Now this basic structure actually we created since beginning, include main and all that. Let us run this program. Handle was not declared, so let us use std : here also. Let us see this one. Input number 1, so let it be 12. Number 2, 13. So output is 25. Good. Now just learn this number types could be float. I can use float, means I can use decimal values. So this will automatically work for float. In technical language, we call it an overloaded objects, which can work on multiple types of data. So automatically this will still work, but now we'll be able to give numbers as decimal values. 1.2, 1.3, 2.5. If we want larger decimal values, we give it double, which is the usually sufficient for many operations. Okay, so we can go this way. 0.345, 124.543. It is giving me result. Also, we can learn to chain here itself. Please input two numbers, and we can give num1, num2. So this is operator chaining of input for scene. That means stream extraction operator chaining. These two are within one command line. Although when you chain, you don't have a way to show you another instruction. But sometimes people do like this. So let us run it. let us run it again. Input two numbers, say 12 and then 23. So numbers are added. It didn't ask me for the second prompt because I have chained here. And one more small thing, that this declaration can be done right at the time of when the variable is being used for the first time in a formula, but on the left hand side. So left hand side can be declared here also. I cannot declare double num1 and num2 here or here, but on the left hand side of any formula I can declare the left hand side variable right at that point where it is used in the formula. So I can use this also. Just see, input two numbers, 1, I can use a tab also. So it has worked. So now we know how to input values of different data types and number types, integer, double and float, and use simple formulas. Like these are some. So simple calculators we can now make.
Please like, share and subscribe.